Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. Today our topic is on Java programming, that is matrix multiplication. Here on the screen you see a double dimensional array A having these elements and B array is having these elements. So when you multiply this into this should be the result. Now matrix multiplication is little different. If you are not aware of matrix multiplication, then you see my video, that is last video, matrix multiplication tricks. If you see that video, your concept of matrix multiplication would be perfectly okay. So let us move into BlueJ for the program. So this is my matrix multiplication class, and this has got a main method, and here I have not entered the data into the array directly. I have initialized with what I have shown you in A array and in B array, and the third array I have just created, and these elements will come how? By multiplying A array and B array. What will be the logic? We will learn after some time. So first of all, let us do this. Let us print this matrix. Okay. So a nested loop, nested for is there. You know how to print a double dimensional array. This is I loop, this is J loop, going less than 3 times, right? And you are printing I and J, and in between you have printed 2 tab. Okay, now this is my first array is getting printed. After that you are printing B array in the same format. Okay, here we have changed the message also, and the content would be from B array. So this is quite easy. Now the logic here is little tricky, so all your concentration should be here. Now my I loop will go less than 3 times, so currently I is 0, and J will also go less than 3 times, but currently J is also 0. K is also 0, and this will also go 3 times means 0, 1 and 2, less than 3, right? Now this particular thing will be executed how many times? 0, 1 and 2, 3 times. As you finish this loop, that means the first element of C array will be generated, right? So K is right now 0. So you are filling what? C00, 0, right? Now what would be the thing? Cij, that means at this index, that is 00 index, you have what? When you allocate space to array, what happens? It is also initialized with 0. So what you have here? You have 0, right? So in this particular thing you have what? 0 plus A of I and K into B of K and J. So I is how much? I is 0 and K is 0. That is A arrays, this element will be taken, and B arrays K and J, that is K is 0 and J is also 0. So from B array also this element will be taken, right? So 9 into 2 is how much? 18. That means let us write somewhere out here what exactly we are getting so far. So let us write, initially you had 0 plus, right now you have got 18. Let me make this a comment line, right? Now after finishing this, you will go here and k will change to 1, right? So in I and j, that is in the same element only, what will be added? Whatever you had here, that is 0 plus 18 you had, with that you are doing this thing. A of I and k. I is how much? 0, and k is how much? 1, right? So 0 comma 1 from A array. 0 comma 1 means 3, right? 3 into B of k and j. 1 and j is 0. 1, 0. 1 means this one and 0 means 5. You are taking the column, okay, the first column elements, 9, then 5, then next time it would be what? 8. So right now it is 5. So 5 into 3 would be how much? 15. Finished, right? So when you come here, it is right now 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. So C of I and j, that is 0 comma 0. Whatever you had, that means all this, plus A of I and k. I is how much? 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 means this one, right? 1 into, and k of j. K is 2. Okay. So row 2 and j is 0 only. Row 2 column 0. Row 2 column 0, that is 8. That is 8 ones are 8. So if you add this, you will get how much? 41. Let us see what we have here. 41. Got it? So this way, as you finish this entire loop, okay, you will go back to j loop. J this time would be how much? 1, and k again would be 0. So have a look to this screen, especially this C array having 41, 18 and 7, 91, 15 and 5, 79 minus 31 and 15, minus 15, right? So when we compile our program, right, it should give you that output only. Let us compile, no syntax error, and let us do one thing. Let us now run this program. Let us close. So this is okay. Let me clear this once more. Let me run this. So this is my double dimensional A array, B array, and this is my C array. Hope you have understood matrix multiplication. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning from E-SHIKSHA. Thank you.